Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful limited edition eyeshadow palette from Chanel. I'm smiling because I really like this look. I will tell you plus and minus. You know what, let me tell you right now, it is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is limited edition, but yes, you can see it's very deep color right here. You see very like beautiful yellow gold or this shimmer, but colors, it's not intense. You will need to little bit work more and more to build color, but the end, then you will get this beautiful look. I really like this look. It's a beautiful fall eyeshadow palette. I don't see any, when I use no fall down any eyeshadow, and of course I'm using limited edition, I believe, for fall lip colors from Chanel. I also use two different blushes, and I really like, and I little bit cheating today. I do not use today on my skin foundation from Chanel. I use today brand new MAC Studio Radiance foundation, which one I believe will be available September 7 at Nordstrom Tampa, and I absolutely in love with this foundation. Look at my skin. Okay, this is eyeshadow, it's number 308 Imperiale. Let me swatch for you, but because you here in my channel, I hope you like this look. Please give me a like, and I will teach you step by step how I create this amazing look. I'm serious, I'm so like happy with this look because it's different. And if you know, I usually like a nude lip curl. If you come to see me in my store, my like lipstick, no lipstick, but this is the best darker, deeper lipstick I ever owned. It's beautiful, and it's color wild. Again, it's limited edition. I will list it below all product which one I use. But okay, let's start. Let me show you how we create this look with this beautiful eyeshadow. Sorry, I'm so excited. Again, give me a like and let's start. Let's take care of my face first. I'm gonna use Newly Lift Concentrate. You always use this first, and then Lift Pro Moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer. It's fragrance free. After 40 you lose the volume. That's it. This is what product help you. And for my eye, I'm gonna use eye cream from La Mer. It's a concentrate eye cream for dark circles, for lines and wrinkles, and I will put a little bit on my eyelid. And then we're gonna try new foundation from MAC. It's supposed to be like amazing glowing radiance foundation, and I'm gonna try it. The first time I'm gonna try this foundation. I have a large pores, and to minimize my pores, Makeup Forever pore minimizer primer will help me, and it's have little bit color. It also will help me to even my skin. And now let's try this foundation. Again, it's Studio Radiance Serum Power foundation. It's 24-hour hydration. It's a buildable foundation, glowing. Also, it will even your skin and will help you with texture. I will recommend this foundation for dry to extremely dry skin. And I'm not sure if it's this 100% my color, but I'm gonna use NC 14.5. And I'm using MAC foundation brush. This is how I apply this foundation. I want full coverage, and you can see I kind of like dab area where I need a coverage. But again, look at this foundation. It looks really glowing. We'll see how long this foundation gonna stay beautiful, like I see right now on my face. But it is pretty nice foundation. After foundation, let's use bronze, and then I will use Chanel concealer. And I need a little bit color. It looks a little bit pale, but so far again this foundation looks beautiful, and color it's right for me. Now I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury brush and Chanel bronze cream bronze number 390. Bronze done. Now I'm gonna put concealer. Now I'm gonna use loose powder from Givenchy number 2 to set my concealer. I have a beauty blender puff. I almost don't have like nothing on here, just very little powder. And I'm pushing this powder in my puff, and now I'm gonna just little bit set my concealer. Also, I know right here it's my little bit oily area. I'm gonna just use this little puff with powder, and I'm just little pressing where I knew I'm oily. Now it's time for me to fill a little bit my eyebrows. Eyebrows done, and now this is it's very important eyeshadow primer from MAC. I'm gonna apply an entire my eyelid. I will be honest with you, so far what I already used 2 palette, and this eyeshadow so far not too pigmented. This is why you need use eyeshadow primer. And believe me, not so far. I still like, I forgot the name, green eyeshadow palette, where it's like so easy to use, so easy to apply. And I hope this is gonna be same easy eyeshadow palette. Let's try, let's use. Again, I applied on the entire my eyelid. And also, if you like my short video, I'm making short video, I posted for Instagram, you know, full video it's coming soon on my YouTube channel. And you know, I'm right now start making these funny videos, and I hope you laugh and you smiling. And if you are, please let me know, please comments below, please give me like, what's another people can see my videos, they can laugh together with you, or they see this video. Okay, eyeshadow primer, it's done. First color, which one I'm gonna use, it's this one color. It's like it's a soft orangey color, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lid, and I will push up. And I also take off a little bit this color because I don't want color to go right away like so intense. Again, I'm just gonna apply right here on my lower lid, and I'm gonna push up, and I using Sigma brush. It's a blending Sigma brush. And you can see it's not too pigment, it's not too heavy color. And I'm reapplying couple times this orange lighter color eyeshadow on my eyelid. Again, you can see it's very soft and I pushing up. Now I'm gonna use my favorite brush, 200. It's double-ended. It's like you must have this brush. Of course, I will list it all products linked below, and thank you so much for your purchase. And you can also message me on Instagram. I can send you home. I will put nice beautiful present for you, the luxury sample. Just ask girls, my friends on Instagram. They love every time when they order in anything from me, they receive like products with luxury samples. Now I'm gonna use this small brush and we're gonna use this deeper color in this palette. And this deep color I'm gonna apply right here in the corner, and you can see I'm pushing up. And I need to reapply couple times to build this color. After I reapply color, I have a big blending brush and I'm just gonna slightly little bit blend this color, and I pushing up close to my brow. And you can see how eyeshadow looks so small, so soft, and I still look young. Now I'm gonna use my favorite tiny brush, blending brush from Nordstrom, and I'm gonna use this beautiful yellow gold eyeshadow, and we're gonna put on the corner. Wow, it's a nice pop. I love this soft, like blurry look. Love this yellow. Now I have another small tiny blending brush from Nordstrom, and we're gonna use this beautiful shimmer color, and I'm gonna use underneath my brow, just right here, kind of on center, and go to corner but not all the way, just like a halfway. Same brush, same eyeshadow, this light gold. I'm gonna add little bit more right here in the corner. I want my eyes make little bit bigger. I'm gonna use again small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this first color, which one we use this soft orange color, and I'm gonna use underneath very close to my lashes, just halfway. Okay, this burgundy eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, can make your eye a little bit thick or tired. You need to use nude eyeliner, and I'm gonna put on my waterline. I feel I need a little bit extra gold shimmer pop, and I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, but first I'm gonna use Lancome Satin Mist fragrance free. It's one of my favorite mist because it's no hair fragrance, and I'm gonna apply this again gold eyeshadow. This will go slightly little bit more intense right here in the corner. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy green eyeliner between my lashes. Oh, it's gonna give me a nice beautiful pop. Let me show you this beautiful green eyeliner, color Emerald from Trish McAvoy. It's beautiful, and I love this formula. It's a gel formula. It goes so soft, it just slide on your eyelid. I love this. I'm gonna little bit pull my eye, and I'm gonna right now apply underneath between my lashes. Also, I have right now clean Q-tip, and I actually gonna a little bit clean because this eyeliner went not just between my lashes, also on my waterline, but I want more product between my lashes than on my waterline, and it's the best way to remove. I'm done using this Imperial eyeshadow number 308. I think it's simple, I think it's pretty, it's not complicated, and I like this soft look. And now let's put little bit primer and mascara. My eyes is done. I really like. Now I am gonna set my foundation with loose powder number 20 from Chanel, and now I actually gonna do my lips. It's fall and I have a beautiful lip liner, very dark, very deep color, number 192, Prune Noir. And then I'm gonna use new lip color, number 160, Wild. It's pretty deep, it's really dark. This is why I'm gonna do my lips first, because then I will figure out what is best blush. Do you want a brighter, or you want a deeper, or I want something softer? But let's do the lips first. This lip liner really dark. I need to work very quick before it's dry to little bit soft this lip liner. And I have right here all brand new lip liners from Chanel. It's a little bit reformulated them, how I understand, bring new colors, and of course new video with lip liners from Chanel, it's coming. And again, if you like this video, please girls give me thumbs up, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. Okay, let's finish this lip look. I'm not dark lip girl, but I love this color. Again, this is color Wild. I'm gonna use highlighter from Chanel number 10, and I'm just gonna apply right here in this area to highlight my cheekbone. Highlighter is done, and it's time to use blush. I'm gonna use blush number 80, Jersey, and then I may use another blush on top. This is pretty nude, but it's not matte. It's have a nice beautiful glow. Okay, let's start with first blush number 80. And if you can see, it looks really like a nude color, but when I apply it on my cheek, it goes totally different. Ooh, I love this blush. And again, it's not matte, it's giving me this nice, like a glossy highlighting cheek. Because after 45, losing little bit volume, I apply this blush right here, but I do not go under my eyes. I do not like it, don't looks natural, and I don't like it. But right here, it's so beautiful. And now I'm gonna use another blush, and this is it's number 602, Ruben, I believe. It's more like a plummy deep color, and I'm gonna just apply a little bit right here on the side, and I push it up. Voila! I really like this look. I think this is deep color, lip color looks beautiful on me, and I do like this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Yes, it's a pro, but remember, if you think about this as lots of pigment, you're gonna work a little bit more to build color, but you know what? You're not gonna mess up. You're not gonna make mistakes. Okay, love love you more than ice cream. More videos it's coming. Please give me like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.